I had $5,000 to start VTubing today, I honestly wouldn't spend it on a Live2D model at all. Here's why. When most people think of VTubers, they picture those super expensive anime avatars that blink, smile, and move around the screen. But did you know there's actually multiple ways of becoming a VTuber? There's 3D VTubing, Live2D VTubing, and PNGTubing. All three are great options, but they can vary a lot in terms of cost and difficulty. So today, let's focus on two most beginner-friendly options, PNGTuber and Live2D VTubers. Which one should you choose? Let's start with PNGTubers. If you've never heard of one of these before, it's exactly what it sounds like. Instead of using a fully rigged animated model, a PNG uses one or more images that react to your microphone. When you talk, your character changes expressions. When you're quiet, it switches back. Simple, but surprisingly very effective. Why are they so popular? Well, PNGTubers are cheap, fast to set up, incredibly easy to learn, great for beginners, and they let you focus on making content instead of worrying about expensive equipment. Honestly, that's exactly how I started. I made my own PNG model and just started creating videos. Looking back, I'm really glad I kind of did. Even some well-known VTubers still use PNG models today because they're simple, charming, and they get the job done. At the end of the day, people stay for you, not because of your avatar has physics. Now, how do PNGTubers actually work? The cool thing is that setting up one is really easy. There are a lot of programs you can use. Some popular ones such as VTuber Mini. This will probably be the most popular free PNGTuber app. It swaps between images based on your mic input and is incredibly friendly. PNGTuber Plus. This one adds a bit more movement, like gentle bounces and cursor tracking, making your avatar feel more alive. And GezoTuber. This one lets you create more complex expressions and animations with additional customizations. Most of these are free to download with optional pay features if you want extra customization. So if you just want to start out, you can get a professional looking setup without spending much money at all. Now, rating. If I had to rate PNGTubers, I would give them an 8 out of 10. They are affordable, easy to make, easy to learn, and they let you spend your time doing what actually matters, creating content. Now, Live2D. Let's talk about Live2D. This is what most people think of when they hear the word VTuber. Unlike PNGTubers, Live2D models aren't just pictures. They are illustrations that have been cut into dozens, sometimes hundreds of separate parts. Their eyes, their hair, their mouth, their body, clothes, everything moves independently. Those parts are then rigged almost like a digital puppet. When your webcam tracks your face, the software maps your real movement onto the model. Turn your head, your avatar turns. Smile, it smiles. Tilt your head, your hair and body move naturally. That's why they look so expensive. Live2D models are more expensive though. They are also more immersive and a lot more customizable, and are better for long-term branding. But there is some downsides. There's a reason they are so expensive. First, you need the artwork. Then you need someone to rig it, or you could learn to rig it yourself, which isn't exactly beginner friendly. Making a Live2D model takes significantly more time and skill than making a PNG model. It's absolutely worth it though, just maybe not for beginners. Now, personally, I would give Live2D a 6 out of 10 for beginners. Not because they're bad, they're amazing, yeah, but because they're simply not as budget friendly for beginner VTubers. Once you've built an audience and committed to VTubing long term, then I would suggest getting a VTuber model. But now for the hidden truth that no one actually tells you. Your model is not stopping you from growing. It's your content, your personality, and your consistency. I've seen creators with incredible Live2D models getting almost no views, and PNGTubers with simple avatars building amazing communities. Your model might get someone to click, but you are the reason they stay. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting, go with PNGTuber. If you're new to VTubing, you're on a budget, and you just want to start creating, don't overthink it. They're quite simple. And choose Live2D if you're already committed, you stream consistently, you're building a long-term brand, and you're ready to invest in your content. At the end of the day, there isn't a better option. There's only the option that's right for where you are right now. So don't let your model stop you from creating. Start with what you have, improve over time, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed the video, let me know which one you're planning to use, PNGTuber or Live2D VTuber, down in the comments. I'm also planning tutorials on how to make your own PNGTuber and even your own Live2D models. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see me draw or work on any projects, check out my Twitch. I try streaming almost weekly. Bye bye.